In this CapCut Mobile tutorial, I'll show you how to create a drunken text animation using the Drunken Panic effect. This animation makes your text move in an unsteady, wobbly way, almost like it's tipsy, making it perfect for humorous and light-hearted edits. Let's get started. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Text, then tap Add Text and type in your caption or title. Next, go to the Font tab and choose a font style that fits the fun vibe. Rounded or bold fonts usually look great with drunken style animations. Once your text is ready, tap on the Animation tab. Now, switch to the Loop section and scroll until you find Drunken Panic. Apply it and you'll instantly see your text wobble and stagger across the screen. To fine-tune the movement, use the duration slider. Drag the slider to the left for fast, exaggerated drunken movement. Drag the slider to the right for slower, smoother wobbling. Preview the animation and adjust the speed until it feels just right for your video. And that's it, you've successfully added a drunken text animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fully detailed CapCut Mobile editing tutorials.